Hello guys, welcome to pvapins.com. pvapins.com is a virtual platform where you can verify your any account with your preferable country's phone number. Let's get started. First you have to visit pvapins.com, then click on Login or Sign Up button. After clicking you will see this interface like this, then click on Register New Account button. Enter your full name, email address, password, and CAPTCHA, then tap the Register button. After create an account here, you will see your dashboard like this. Now you have to recharge your account from Top Up option. Clicking Top Up you will see the recharge method here. Select your preferable method for recharge your account. After recharge you will see your balance here. Today, I will show you how to create and verify Mail RU account by virtual phone number. Now look at the phone screen. In this field, you have to enter a valid phone number. Now search your preferable country. Search Mail RU and select it. You will get a number here. Copy this number and enter it in verification field. Verify that you are not a robot. Now a phone call will be sent this number for verification code, but we want to get verification code by SMS, so we have to wait 1 minute for requesting SMS. Now click here. Wait a little bit and tap the refresh button. You will get a verification code here. Copy this code and enter it here. You are almost done. Your Mail RU account is now verified successfully.